Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna do a thing. I am going to Palm Springs this weekend for the first time. I've never been to California. I know it's the weirdest thing ever, but I wanted to do something fun with my hair, and so I have literally watched probably 50 YouTube videos today just trying to figure out what color I should do. I'm gonna do a semi-permanent hair color, and I couldn't figure out which brand to use. I knew I wanted to use a drugstore brand. It was between the Clairol color Crave colors or the L'Oreal Colorista, I think those are called. So I decided on Flamingo. I'm a little terrified. So this is a semi-permanent hair color. It is bold color for brunette, blonde, or bleached hair. It lasts 15 or more washes. So, this is what the colors could look like. So depending on how light your hair is or how dark, that is what the colors could look like. It's only hair, right? It's gonna grow back, whatever. Hopefully it'll wash out. I will say I did read a lot of reviews on these, and people were very disappointed with the blues and the purples because I guess when it washes out, it kind of turned their hair green. So I wanted to steer clear of those colors, but we're gonna give this a shot. So directions sound really easy. There's no mixing required or anything like that. It says wash and towel dry your hair, which I just did. It's still it's pretty dry, so I'm probably gonna get it a little bit wet. Wearing gloves, apply color to chosen sections of hair with hands or included brush. Fully saturate hair with product. Wait 20 minutes for color to set, or for bolder results, wait 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water until water runs clear. So when you open it up, comes with, this is the box of color, and this one, like I said, is Flamingo. This is like a hot pink, and so this is what the little tube looks like. So I mean, it looks like a normal hair dye, but you don't have to mix it with anything, no developer or anything, so I thought that was pretty cool. And then it also comes with a little brush here, so if you want to mix it up and brush it on. I'm probably just going to use my fingers because I'm not going to go all the way to my roots. And then some gloves. So it did come with 2 pairs of gloves. So I'm just gonna stop talking and we're gonna go ahead and do this, and then I'll be back and show you guys what it looks like. Fingers crossed. Okay, I will say this is going to take so much product. I did buy 2, and I have a feeling I'm gonna end up using both of them because it takes a lot of product to cover the hair. So I might actually try to get my hair a little more wet to see if maybe it will cover a little better with it wet. So we'll see. So I have no idea how, but I was able to just use 1 bottle or 1 tube. I'm going to let this sit for 30 minutes and then rinse it out, and then we'll be back and see what it looks like. Oh, it worked, you guys. Holy moly. I cannot even believe that it worked. So I actually did my hair last night, and I didn't want to film last night because I didn't have any makeup on, so I figured I would sit down and show you guys what it looked like today. I am blown away. Let me turn on the ring light because this is just natural lighting, so let me turn on the light and see if you can get a better view of it. This is what the back looks like. It really picked up on the blonde pieces that I had, and like I don't know, I love it. Like, it's got different tones. It's kind of darker in places and lighter. Let me plug in the light. Hang on. Can't really tell if this lighting is any better, but this is what it looks like. I mean, I'm really happy with it. I can't even believe that that stuff worked. So I highly recommend this stuff. Again, I used the Clairol Color Crave in the color Flamingo, and I did buy the 2 boxes, but like I said, I only ended up needing the 1, surprisingly. And I got it for like $7. It was on sale. So I am very happy with how this turned out. I can't even believe it worked. So I didn't color the roots or anything, but yeah. The only downfall I will say is that it's very, very messy. I mean, not really messy, but if you get it on something, it could stain it for sure. So I got a little bit on my quartz countertop, and I was able to get it off with a magic eraser, but it did take a little scrubbing. And quartz is usually very easy to clean and get stuff off of. So yeah, it can definitely stain. You definitely want to wear gloves, because even when I was shampooing it out, it was kind of getting on my hands, and I was like, oh man, is that going to come off? So yeah, just be very careful. I did lay a towel down when I was putting the color in, but I am very happy with this stuff. I can't even believe how pretty it looks. And I will keep you guys updated either in the comments below or in the description box. After a week or so, I will give you guys an update on what it is looking like how it's fading. And if you guys are subscribed to my channel, I'm sure you'll see in my videos upcoming how it's looking. So I'm hoping it's just gonna kind of fade into like a pretty pink color. I mean, I don't really have huge hopes that it's gonna go back to blonde like it was before, because I don't know, I just can't see it coming out that much, but we will see. I will keep you guys posted. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Like I said, I watched so many videos yesterday because I was terrified to try it, but I really wanted to try it. So I hope this video will help you guys, and I highly recommend this product. This video is not sponsored or anything. I just wanted to try something different. So, all right, you guys, we will see you all soon. Bye.